Hey traders, welcome to the Options Report. This is Tyler Craig coming at you with a green screen behind me. Welcome out. Hope you had a good week. Bulls continue to dominate. The theme in my write-up below is going to be about sector rotation. One of the beautiful things we saw this week is some of the lagging sectors pick up the slack. I'm looking at you, large caps. Mr. Dow broke out. I think I'm looking at the Dow. You guys can't see this. I can see this. Yes. The Dow is breaking out just a wee bit, so seeing some rotation into large caps, which is nice. Also saw the pullback from Thursday, bought, and didn't see much follow through on Friday. So I think bulls once again hold the upper hand, which doesn't take a genius to figure out. Market's still in an uptrend. Maybe that changes next week, but I think right now buyers continue to dominate the landscape. All right. As for sector rotation, that's just a beautiful phenomenon whereby one sector, maybe a leading sector like tech, finally takes a breather. Meanwhile, the market, the money coming out of that sector moves into another sector. So the index stays aloft, but you have this rotation going on beneath the surface. That allows overbought stocks to take breathers and become less overbought, whilst lagging sectors start to pick up the slack. The other sector I like going into next week, which I did not mention in the video below, is the financial sector. That has been lagging for a while and is on the precipice, let's say on the brink. It's on the brink of breaking a descending trend line to the upside. So if that breaks out and starts to play catch up, maybe that's an area where we see bulls finally make a run for it. So anyways, I like the market here. It's been good to me this week. So hopefully we continue to see that in the week ahead. On to the write-up, and then I'll see you in the next video. Adios.